So we want to get our boat license so we get familiar with how to navigate and, well, basically run a boat safely. And we know all the boating rules. And then once we're confident with that, do a few boating adventures, but then learn how to sail. And good morning.
Good morning.
What are we doing this morning?
We're going to learn how to drive a boat and get a boat license.
Yeah. Nice. What do you think, Pacho?
What do you think? Really? Yes. Hello. We're here at Rose Bay West Boat Ramp.
Can't hear you.
We're here at Rose Bay West Boat Ramp, waiting to learn how to drive a boat. Maybe that big one. It's a beautiful day here on Sydney Harbour. You couldn't ask for better conditions for a couple of first-timers learning to drive a boat.
You're my emergency contact.
Okay. We're here at the Rose Bay West Boat Ramp, waiting to board the vessel of Easy Boating School for the practical portion of the day.
Okay, gather around, guys.
Yeah, that's what he said.
There are just a few basic manoeuvres to learn in the one-day course.
I'll be your sunshine, I'll be your love, I'll be your sunshine, I'll be your love. I'll be your love, I'll be your sunshine. You see the sea, I'll see the sunshine, I'll be your love.
Steer the boat in a straight line towards a fixed target for at least 50 metres. Then perform a figure of 8. All the while, you're checking if you can continue, turn and stop safely, surrounded by all the boat traffic here on the harbour. And here at Rose Bay, that includes kayaks, ferries and seaplanes. Everyone takes a turn, then you all do the same thing, but in reverse.
Ooh, I miss the way you make me feel. You make me feel. Ooh, without you, my life seems so real. I'm stuck in nostalgia. I miss the way you make me feel. You make me feel. Without you, my life seems so real. When I'm stuck in nostalgia.
Keeping the boat in a steady direction, it's harder than it looks. One thing that's not so fun when you're out on the water is having a person fall out of your boat. So we also take turns practicing the man overboard procedure. A spotter spots the boy overboard, in this case a boy named Wilson, who's in the water and calls out to the driver so a retriever can safely pick up Wilson and get him back on the deck. Now we practice the same moves again, but we get to bump up the speed a bit and have some fun.
And it's the way you make me feel, you make me feel. Without you, my life seems unreal. When I'm stuck in nostalgia.
We also check out some of the different moorings here at Rose Bay, what they mean, and safely beach the boat at one of the sheltered coves here in Sydney Harbour National Park. Okay, prac time over. Time for lunch. Chicken and avo crepe. Not bad. 7 out of 10. Now it's time for the second half of the day, the theory. Luckily, the view from the classroom at Woollahra Sailing Club is almost as good as being out on the water. We run through understanding charts, markers, lights, and marine traffic safety, and watch a few fail videos for good measure. The final part of the one-day course is the written exam. Just like doing your driver's license, except you could get a question about how close you can get to a whale. With a bit of study the day before, the exam is a breeze. Any idiot can get their boat license that easily. Here's 5 more of them.
Hey, how did it go today?
Pretty good. Passed. I passed.
What does that mean?
I'm a captain.
Getting our first taste of being a boatie in such a stunning setting has only made us excited for more adventures.
We just finished our general boat license training day, and we both just sat the test and the prac and everything, and we passed.
Yeah, that's my boat.
So we are now captains of kayaks. No, we have to go pay, but we will be allowed to drive boats. So that's pretty fun. What are we going to do with that? Oh, okay, all right. Watch whales, learn how to navigate on the water and be safe, and plan trips and use radio. Actually, we have to do the radio. We have to do the VHF radio course if we're going to go into open water, which we might do if we go sailing, which we want to do. There we are. We did it. Celebrating. Cheers. Cheers, Pacho! Yeah! Shake! Yay! Thanks, Paul.